Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. My name is Mithun. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to generate descriptive statistics using Microsoft Excel. Even before I proceed to demonstrate how to generate descriptive statistics using Microsoft Excel, may I request you to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. As you can see here, I've taken a very simple variable, namely sales. It is important to summarize this data. What is the average sales? Is this variable following normal distribution or not? How many values are there in this particular variable? What is the minimum value of sales? What is the maximum value of sales? What is the range of sales? Now you can write the formula, but writing the formula would be time consuming. You have to write 10 different formulae for 10 different statistics. Question is there an easier way of getting the descriptive statistics for this particular variable? This is where analysis tool pack helps us because it easily helps us summarize the entire variable in a span of few seconds. Let's explore how descriptive statistics works in Excel. What I need to do is click on the data menu. Once I click on the data menu, I will choose the option data analysis. This will produce a new window. In this particular dialog box, what you can do is choose the option descriptive statistics. You can see here the option of descriptive statistics. You can choose the option descriptive statistics and then click on OK. What does this expect me to do? You can see here the input range. It is already selecting the input range, but in case the input range is not selected, you can select the input range. Once you select the input range, you can choose the group by option. If the observations are grouped by columns, you can choose the default option, or else you can choose the option rows. If the first row contains the label, please make sure that you have selected this particular option. You can generate the summary statistics as well as confidence level for the mean. By default, it would give you a 95% confidence interval, but we can change this to either 90% or 99%. Once you select this, we can generate the descriptive statistics by clicking on the OK button. You can see here, Excel produces a whole lot of statistics here. What does this tell me? It tells me that the average sales is $247. The median is slightly higher, which is 280. It has not computed the mode value. Since the mean is different from median, you can conclude that this variable does not follow normal distribution. Further, Excel also gives you standard deviation as well as variance. Standard deviation as well as variance can be thought of as measures of dispersion. Mean, median, mode are measures of central tendency. Standard deviation and variance can be called as measures of dispersion. You also have a couple of interesting metrics, namely kurtosis and skewness. You can clearly see here we have a negatively skewed distribution. Ideally speaking, if the variable were to follow normal distribution, the values of skewness and kurtosis will be 0. In our case, what we see is minus 0.74 is the value for kurtosis and minus 0.75 is the value for skewness. Sales data usually will not be normal. Further, we have range. Range is nothing but the difference between maximum and the minimum value. The total value of sales is given as well as the number of values on which we are working on is given, which is 14 observations. Lastly, what Excel reports is the 95% confidence level. The 95% confidence level is shown as 51 units. You can see here how easy it is to generate the descriptive statistics using Excel. With this, I have come to the end of today's video. I request you to subscribe to my channel as well as like and share my videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.